All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We've taken about a year off from the channel and there's a good reason for that. We've been doing our best to expand the business and really offer more for you guys as far as content. It's been kind of hectic in here. As you can see, it's very full. As you've seen in the original shop tour, the back is even more full than it was before. So what we've done is we've actually expanded into a new space. It happens to just be right next door. So that's a huge benefit for us and a huge benefit for you guys. We're going to be expanding our retail space. So what we're going to do next is we're going to show you guys next door. So let's head over there now. Welcome to the new Boost Factory 2.0. Obviously we're not officially open in this space at all yet, but we're going to be doing some renovations in this area. But for now, we're going to show you around the space as it currently sits, kind of a little bit of our plans for the future and how we're going to grow and expand for content and retail experience for you guys. This is going to be the new retail space. Obviously we're going to be doing a little bit of renovations to kind of suit our color, our brand, make the space a little more inviting for our walk-in customers local to us, anyone who wants to come and visit us anytime. We're probably going to be adding a little bit of retail space inside the shop so you can get a full experience of the shop experience when you're in there. As for right now, obviously it's two different spaces. With this new space, we got some excellent new office space for all the staff here, for me, Vitaly, Walker, and Rob, and anyone else who we add onto the team in the future. So that's a very nice advantage. We can have people in here and come into our office and discuss projects, project builds, any kind of parts orders you want to be making locally. We can absolutely take care of you, and we'll have a little bit more of a private space to do that. Next up, an excellent new improvement to the space. We have a little kitchen now, which is a major benefit from what we're working with before. And then just through this door, the best part of all, new shop space. So this is the shop space, pretty much the crown jewel of the new expansion. We're going to be doing a lot of mostly warehousing in here, probably not any automotive work at all, probably just mostly be warehousing. Keep that to the other side. We're going to be doing maybe a potential engine building space, but we're not sure yet. Really going to try and focus on warehousing in here so we can really clean up the content side for you guys and what you guys see. Potentially we'll do a podcast space up in the loft there, which we can take up there quickly. There are some gym equipment pieces up there right now that will be sold, so probably won't be there by the time you actually see this video. But yeah, pretty much right now we just got a couple cars parked in here just to alleviate some of the space up on the other side. So basically the goal is to move all the automotive over to that side, bring all the automotive parts to this side, have a cleaner environment, hopefully have a giant retail space for customers who want to walk in and do their shopping. Already we've expanded a little bit here. We've actually started putting up some racking on the one side of the wall here. That rack on that side is actually going to be moving over to this side. And then we're going to be filling that up with the used parts. We do have a large used part inventory as well that we are going to be offloading, hopefully replacing it all with new part inventory. But we will be showing as much as possible in the development of this space and posting on YouTube and kind of showing you guys the progress we make with this space over the next few months. And then when that's all done, we're going to try and do a grand opening and do a full shop tour. Anyone who wants to come by can come have a look. We'll have cars and just a good group of people. Along with our new space, if you haven't already seen in our Instagram posts and on our other social media, we have redesigned our logo. We're trying to really gear towards the motorsports portion of the business, whether that be parts, whether that be performance work on cars itself. But really trying to gear towards the automotive aspect of the business. Believe it or not, a funny story about this current name, Boost Factory, is we get calls in the wintertime for cars to be boosted on the side of the road if they have a dead battery. So that's a little bit of an interesting call to always have with someone who doesn't understand what a turbocharger is. So trying to gear towards more motorsports and really explaining that that's kind of the direction we're going with the company. And we're going to try and serve that area of business as best as possible. Rob's car here is the first car to have the actual logo onto it. He went to Super D with this car and was already out there ripping with it on the car, so that's huge and great for the shop. So we're going to try and keep moving ahead, hopefully get some merchandise for you guys soon here with that logo on it. T-shirts, logo, stickers, hats, all the good stuff. See that soon. All right, this is going to be hopefully the future Boost Factory podcast space. Really don't know what we're going to do with that yet, but if you guys have any ideas as far as podcast topics that you don't see that you want discussed, we're going to try and bring on a lot of knowledgeable people, locals, anyone else who wants to be on the podcast that's related to automotive. Going to try to get them in, talk about some things that you and your buddies might talk about, and really show off the space, show off the knowledge for those people, and really just flesh out the ideas of how to make the community better, how to make the automotive community better in Canada, Alberta, and across the world if possible. See how far it goes. So from this perspective, kind of where the podcast perspective would be, this is really get a good size comparison to what the space looks like, and really get a good idea of how big the space actually is. Some of the things you could look forward to with this new space, we're hopefully going to be getting back into the YouTube videos again after this long extended break off. We're going to be doing a lot of content on what goes into generating this space, that space for automotive use and retail, what it might look like in the future for anyone who's also looking to do the same things, and what we kind of had to go through to get to where we are and how we're going to develop that. Aside from that, on the engine side of things, YouTube videos we're going to be doing is the drag car. We're going to be rebuilding the RB30, and we're going to show that entire process again, just to get that real drawn out long extended video again, where you really understand what goes into building something like that. And then hopefully that'll be the first car that we take all the way to the dyno, and then painting and right into drag racing. So we really hope to get that done for the summer and actually get out and do some runs with it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have anything else you want to see from us, and we'll be there to do it for you. As always, check out the website boostfactor.ca, and we appreciate the support. Thank you.